Today I'll teach you 5 advanced words with pronunciation and speaking examples. These 5 words can upgrade your speaking score. Let's get started. Here's the first word. Ubiquitous. What does it mean? Found everywhere. So you can use it like AI is ubiquitous these days. Now repeat after me. Ubiquitous. Here's the next one. Profound. Profound. It means something that's very deep or significant. So basically anything that can have a deep impact on you. So books can have a profound impact on our lives. Books can have a profound impact on our lives. Say it with me. Profound. Let's move to the next one. Pragmatic. Pragmatic. What does this mean? It means something that's practical and realistic. So, I take a pragmatic approach to saving money. Repeat with me. Pragmatic. Move on to the next one. Resilient. Resilient. It means someone who's able to recover quickly from difficulties. For example, you can say, children are often more resilient than adults these days. Say it. Resilient. Here's the last one for today. Meticulous. Meticulous. It simply means somebody who's very careful and detail oriented. So here's the example. She's meticulous when preparing for exams. Meticulous. Quick test. Which word means found everywhere? Comment below.